Jenny, you had to work hard and dig deep for that 3 points today.
Yeah, absolutely, and we knew that would be the case before the game. You know, it's always competitive against TNS. We had a competitive game last week. The scoreline obviously looked very different, but we're delighted with the 3 points, delighted with the clean sheet, and you know that's what we came for today.
I'm proud, but I'm still disappointed not to win. We're not where we want to be in terms of points this year, in terms of where we are in the place, how we've done in the cups, you know. But what it has done in our last home game of the season, it's given a lot of people a bit of optimism that we have got that fight, we have got that spirit. We can do a little bit more with the ball, obviously, but you know, in terms of reaction for the last 2 or 3 games, we've been really, really good today, and I'm proud.
Really happy with the win. I think, to be fair to TNS, they made it hard, and we had different problems to solve than we did last week. But just happy to grab the 3 points.
We knew that they would get bodies behind the ball quickly. We knew that would be a lot of duelling, a lot of physicality in the game. And like you say, in the first half, at times we just didn't have the execution on the last pass or the right timing or the right finish at the end of it. So we were really pleased with the work that we did in the first half. Thought we dominated the ball, thought we dominated the territory, and we're just missing that final touch. But that's the beauty of having a player of face quality on the bench, that when the game opens up a little bit in the second half, that she can go and make that impact. So yeah, really, really pleased for her.
Can I just ask about the end of the game? Are you a bit disappointed with the scenes we saw? You did finish the game with 9 players.
They got a lot of pace, and some very, very talented players. And sometimes on a transition, on a break, you're going to get caught half and half. I think the second dismissal, it's a really poor first yellow card. Which puts yourself in that situation. Obviously, we don't want anyone to get hurt. We don't want it to be an over physical game. But yeah, we got caught in a moment, so we just don't want to be in, really.
We know going into these next 2 games that we've got to provide and we've got to come up with the result. It could be season defining for us. So yeah, totally focused on what's to come and hoping we can get it done.
Did we want to be going midweek to Swansea at this time of year? No. I think the rearrangement of the game has been a bit of a farce, to be honest, but we will play every game whenever we have to, and we've done that all season. We've played at every venue, home and away. You know, we've had multiple home venues ourselves, you know, and we have had to bring our every game energy, and we will be absolutely ready to go again on Wednesday, because this is a group who are enjoying playing football, playing for this team, playing for this club, and enjoying the space that they're in, which is a highly competitive one at the top of the table. So yeah, we'll be absolutely ready to go again on Wednesday.